guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a quick unboxing. I just wanted to introduce to you guys Color Street. I was contacted by Erica Finner and she asked me if I could do just a quick introduction about Color Street and her business, and she gave me some samples to use. You guys know I am a Color Street user. I love Color Street. Basically it's like a stick-on nail polish. I have it on right now. It's not perfect. My nails are short because I've been on vacation, so I've cut them down already, but this has been going strong for the last 2 weeks. So this is what it looks like. She sent me this color right here and the baby blue nail polish, and it looks amazing. I mean, when it was newer. But I do have a demo for you when I updated my nails, so I will be showing it right here. But basically, Color Street is a stick-on nail polish. It's a business that originated in New York. All of the fun colors and designs, I mean, that's where I learned to kind of mix and match the colors, nail polish colors. And what I love about it is basically the staying power and the ease of application. I'll be showing you guys a demo of how I do my nails with Color Street, but basically it's so easy. You stick it on, you file it, and it lasts you for up to 10 days. So it's amazing. I feel like it's the best type of nail polish for the busy moms, for the working moms. There's no dry time. You put it on and it's instantly dry. What I wanted to show you is that I was given this gift by Erica. Erica, thank you so much. Color Street is her business. It's kind of her home business. I will have her shopping link below. There are so many different kinds of Color Street nail polish designs. I mean, everything and anything you can think of. There's a lot of themes with the holiday season coming up. I can't wait to see the fall. Check out Erica. Help her out with her business, but mostly, guys, you're not gonna regret it. I've been using Color Street for a good 2 years now. It's my go-to nail polish. I don't go to the salon. I'm not a salon person. I really don't like paying for super expensive nails. I enjoy doing my nails at home. It's kind of a form of relaxation and me time for me. I just want to say thank you, Erica. She gave me a Color Street pamphlet that tells me all about it, about Color Street. And I'm already familiar with this, guys. I can definitely vouch for this brand. She gave me a beautiful design. So I can't wait to try this, but in the demo, I will be demoing these two colors. She also gave me some samples. I've used this color before, Tokyo Lights. I feel like this is one of the best universal colors out there for any skin tone. You guys will like this, Tokyo Lights. And she also gave me a nail filer, and also this one I recently started using, and it's the best thing that you can use to really get your nails ready for putting on the nail polish. Like, it pushes your cuticles back, but at the same time it kind of smooths the nail polish onto your nails, and it's just perfect. This is a must for me. I think you can get this at Amazon as well. So that is it. I hope you guys check out Erica and her business at Color Street. I'm going to show you the demo next, and I'll be explaining how I apply the nail polish. If you want to know more about Color Street, I do have another video that I made about a year ago, which really goes more in depth about Color Street and the business and what it is all about. So definitely check that video out right here or over here. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye. So today we are going to work with two colors, the pink color and this beautiful blue color. The name of this nail polish color is Aspen Sky. So the first step is to remove that clear film on top of the nail polish. Oh, but before that, you want to use this tool to kind of push your cuticles to the side and have it that nice rounded shape. So once you've removed the clear plastic layer, you can now remove the nail polish layer off that paper that it's sticking on. And then apply the nail polish over your nail bed. Smooth out the nails to make sure there aren't any creases or air bubbles, and then you can just cut the excess layer with your thumb. Now Next, you're gonna turn the nail polish around and do the other nails. So you can see here, I was struggling a little bit to put it on, but you can easily pull the nail polish off of your nails and then try again. So it's easy to correct any kind of mistakes. The last step is to trim the edges, and all you gotta do is use your nails. Not bad, right? I really love the blue. It's so flattering on my medium skin tone. This color, Key West is Best, is one of my favorite colors, my go-to colors, and I've purchased it more than once already. Since I use the thumb to kind of trim my nail polishes down, I like to do the thumb last. So here's the final look. I've got one blue accent nail. I'm really loving the combination. Hope you enjoyed this demo and learned something. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. I will have Erica's shopping link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Bye guys!